I think we'll continue to see an exodus of manufacturing. It's not something that happens overnight.
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Penn's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
In fact, that's really where the migration of manufacturing from China to Vietnam is happening. A large number of these manufacturers are not Chinese manufacturers. They're foreign manufacturers operating in China, and they're moving because, of course, they want to escape the 25% tariff. So they're diversifying their supply chain. And that's why this is happening. And that's why Alibaba, they value Vietnam so much right now, because they know this is going to be a hotbed of manufacturing, primarily to leverage the Vietnamese cheap labor and also to escape from tariffs. I think that will continue. I don't see any change in US policy. So once Donald Trump has set the course, it's really hard to roll back. Any future administration are not likely to roll back the changes that he has made, because no administration in the US likes to be seen as being too China friendly. Similar to Vietnam, the Vietnamese government doesn't want to be seen as too China friendly. So once these things are enacted, they're very hard to roll back. I think we'll continue to see an exodus of manufacturing from China to Vietnam. But of course, to diversify your supply chain is not something that happens overnight. This is going to take time, a couple of years. The migration that's happening now, you're not going to really see the impact maybe down 2 years, 5 years. And that's when you'll truly see the impact as the supply chain move.